Would this be good with cucumbers? Taco seasoning and cucumbers. I don't know. But you know what? We're gonna find out. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Cooking with Cork. We did it. We hit the first milestone, 100 subscribers. Thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for smashing that like button and clicking that subscribe along the way. This has been so much fun. I love doing this every week. I try my best to provide some entertainment in your life. Maybe show you a good recipe here and there. Maybe introduce you to pickling. Like, it's just one of the, if you know me, I have about 50 hobbies. But I am so excited that we finally hit 100 subscribers. We're gonna keep pushing. This video is actually inspired by a comment on our last video for the taco pickled eggs. Tyler Mann wrote, would this be good on cucumbers for my homemade taco seasoning? And I figured the only way to find out is to actually try it. So in this episode, we're gonna ask ourselves, does it pickle? Does it pickle? I don't know. Are these gonna be delicious or are they going to be shit? The jury will be out. So in this video, I'm gonna quickly go over how to make these. If you had watched the spicy Cajun pickle, we're gonna use the same brine as that, but mainly we're gonna try and see how these pickles taste. Let's get to pickling, baby. Got it. These are our taco pickles. These need to go in the fridge for the next week, and we'll be back to try these taco pickles. Does it pickle? And we are back. Judgment Day is here. These have finally sat in our fridge for 5 days. I think that's enough time. And you know what? I guess there's nothing else to do but to try these and answer the question, does this pickle? I mean, it'll pickle, of course, but is this worth your time eating? About to find out. So right off the bat, it is definitely a darker hue. So the seasoning definitely got in there. Let's try it. Oh. Huh. Okay. So right off the bat, you taste the thyme. You taste the thyme very well. That was a little too much. So Lillian ate some of these last night and told me they were delicious. Now the girl likes things salty. All the food, salty. And boy, do you taste the salt. Yeah, these are my favorite pickles. Good thing Lillian likes them. I will let her finish off this batch. So that answers the question, will this work? And you do definitely taste that taco seasoning. Maybe if we lessened it a little bit, it wouldn't be as salty. Maybe take the salt out of the brine initially because of the salt from that seasoning. It's definitely a salt thing. But hey, I wanted to experiment with this new recipe, with this idea that was kicked up in our comments below. And I appreciate that comment. I'm glad I got the chance to do this. But for me, this is getting a no pickle. This does not pickle well. Well, anyway, guys, thank y'all once again so much for watching along the way, subscribing. Y'all are awesome. Y'all are the reason I keep doing this. I really am humbled. I finally made it to the 100 mark. Thank y'all so much for y'all support. Please keep watching along. I'm gonna stop pickling things for a while and we'll actually cook some stuff in the next couple episodes. Please leave a comment below with what I should pickle next. I am trying to pickle some things. I mean, I'm basically turning this into a real life Portlandia episode of I could pickle that. But I just want to know what y'all think I should pickle next. The most comments or the most intriguing one, I will pickle that. I will find that ingredient and we will pickle it. So taco pickles. Nah, not today. Thank y'all so much. Hope you enjoyed. Please smash that like for the algorithm. Please click subscribe if you are not already subscribed. And follow along next time. Catch y'all later. Have a great day, y'all. Have a great week. Have a great week, everybody. Yeah, you know,